How to set up Roborock Q7 Max. Follow these instructions. Take the robot and dock out of the box. Plug in the dock and let the robot charge fully. Download the Roborock app on your phone and create or log into your account. Open the app and tap Add Device. Scan the QR code under the robot's lid. Press and hold the Home plus Spot buttons on the robot until it says Wi-Fi Reset. Connect your robot to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi by entering your Wi-Fi name and password in the app. Let the robot clean once fully so it can make a map of your home for smart cleaning. Use the app to set cleaning times, rooms to clean, and block areas you don't want cleaned. Thank you for watching.